get it.
Hello, my name is Patrick Baki. I'm an MIT Micromaster student, and I'm also a lead product consultant in the digital supply chain software space. Today, I'd like to talk to you briefly about predictive analytics and how it's looking that it'll transform supply chain management. First thing I'd like to discuss are how organizations currently make decisions in their supply chains. For example, we'll start with a distribution center. Typically, the stores that are in that DC's region will share their sales on a weekly and at most bi-weekly basis. So you'll, as a DC, will have to make decisions on your inventory levels and transportation based on that limited information. If you are a manufacturer, you're going to be a lot less lucky in the DC. You are going to receive information less frequently, maybe even on a quarterly basis. So a lot of your manufacturing planning is going to happen based on historical data and a lot of guesswork. If you are a transportation company, you're going to be a lot less lucky. You're going to have 2-3 days advance warning of when you'll be asked to move shipments, and you'll see that currently throughout the supply chain, there's a lot of value that's left on the table. 3 ways that I see predictive analytics transforming the future of the supply chain. First, point of sales data. It's no longer going to be siloed in an organization or sometimes within an organization, but it's going to be shared throughout the supply chain, end to end, with all of the players. Second, disruptions. For example, if you have a hurricane off the coast of Florida, you'll have software that will be able to identify that disruption, make decisions, including autonomous decisions, in order to minimize the effect of that disruption throughout your supply chain. And third, current events, whether it be an economy and changes in tariffs or social disconnect through social media platforms, your software solutions you'll find are going to be able to read, analyze, and either assist or autonomously make decisions to help hedge negative effects of those events. So some organizations are currently using predictive analytics, at least in part. For example, statistical analysis, there's some simulation modeling, and there is some sharing of point of sale data. For example, between if you're a large retailer and your first and maybe even second tier suppliers. But in the future, most organizations are going to have software with AI recommendation systems based on big data and machine learning. So they're going to read what's happening in your supply chain, analyze, and autonomously or with recommendations improve the supply chain from customer service levels, inventory levels, and help decrease transportation costs. You'll see the idea of a network, so not just siloed data in decision making, but multi-party orchestration based on the same data, whether it be transportation, how manufacturing a plant is going, or point of sale from the store, all shared end to end throughout the supply chain. Thank you for your time. I hope you have a great rest of your day.